Imagine the month is over, but there's still time left until your next paycheck. Your bank account is empty, and you're not even sure how your money disappeared. If that feeling sounds familiar, know that you're not alone. A lot of people go through the same situation every month, and the reason usually comes down to just one thing: bad financial habits. We learned math and physics in school, but no one ever taught us how to deal with money. In this video, I'm going to share 7 toxic money habits that are slowly eating away at your savings, holding back your financial success, and might even stop you from ever reaching financial freedom. If even one of these habits exists in your life, now is the time to break it, because change starts right here. Habit 1. Spending money before it arrives. Have you ever spent money before your paycheck even arrived? Maybe you've already paid some bills, gone out for fun, or even done your shopping. If yes, you're not alone. But this habit is a silent killer. Many people spend money they don't have yet, using credit cards or borrowing in advance. The result? A never-ending cycle of debt and stress. Actionable tip: if you're always spending from the future, you'll never actually reach it. Money that hasn't arrived yet isn't yours to spend. Habit 2. Ignoring budgeting. Do you know the difference between someone who's always broke and someone who keeps their wealth? It's budgeting. A lot of people think budgeting is only for the poor. But the truth is, wealthy people know exactly where every single dollar of their money goes. When you don't have a budget, your money decides where to go. But when you budget, you're the one in control. Having a budget means knowing how much you can spend, how much you should save, and how much you can invest. Habit 3. Not having an emergency fund. Imagine going to bed at night and waking up to bad news. Your car breaks down, you lose your job, or you're hit with an unexpected medical bill. If you don't have an emergency savings fund, these kinds of events can completely throw your life off track. Just one hit, and your entire financial system collapses. Becoming wealthy isn't just about making more money. It's about having a strong roof when the storm hits. Even saving as little as 500,000 tomans a month is enough to start. What matters is that you start, not that you wait to be rich first. Habit 4. Buying non-essentials on installments. The new phone is out, or you saw a cool gadget, but you don't have the money? No problem, just buy it in installments. That's exactly where the downfall begins. When you go into debt for non-essential items, you're trading your future for a moment of pleasure. What you're buying might not even matter to you in a few months, but the payments will still be there. Building wealth comes from spending on needs, not wants. If you don't really need it, is it worth going into debt for? Habit 5. Not investing in education and skills. You'll buy an expensive outfit or go on a luxury trip, but when it comes to an online course or a book, you say, "It's too expensive." That's exactly where you lose the game. Real wealth is in your mind, not your closet. If you don't keep learning, you'll stay exactly where you are. Your skills determine your value in the marketplace. The less you know, the cheaper you're sold. Rich people invest in themselves first, and then in everything else. Habit 6. Chasing other people's lifestyles. You see someone on Instagram traveling in luxury, buying the latest phone, wearing designer clothes, and for a moment, you think, "Why shouldn't I live like that too?" But you're only seeing a small piece of their puzzle. You don't know their income, their debts, or the pressure they're under. Trying to live like others comes with a heavy price, and you're the one paying it, not them. Your lifestyle should match your income, your situation, and your goals. If you keep chasing someone else's life, you'll fall behind in your own. Habit 7. Ignoring small investment opportunities. Think you need to be a billionaire before you can start investing. The truth is, many people started with just a little money. Starting from somewhere, even with the smallest amount, can grow into a significant investment over time. Small opportunities, when added up, create big wealth. If you're waiting for a big pile of money to magically show up before you begin, you might never start at all. Real opportunities are already around you, right now. You just need to open your eyes and take action.